The layers in cyan colors make up the main logo, consisting of a recycle icon, an orange circle, and a drop with a sky blue color. The text named Project and the tagline Pioneering the Future of Water Management are in red, along with a masked layer named Mask Tagline. The company name Aquatech is broken into 8 separate letter layers in yellow. All the alphabets have a set matte effect, except the letter H and H outline, which we'll use to animate and reveal the entire word using position and path animation. The mask reveal layer is the mask for all yellow layers, except the H outlines layer. The blue layer Aquatech orange serves as an accent for the word Aquatech. First, I animated the recycle and circle layers by keyframing scale and position. The rotation and position properties will be applied with an elastic expression using the Motion Tools script. This technique was covered in detail in previous parts of the series, where we extensively used the elastic expression to animate elements. I highly recommend watching those parts in the playlist for a refresher. The drop layer will be animated using anticipation of path and position properties. Next, the tagline Pioneering the Future of Water Management are animated using only the position property with an alpha matte inverted. The word project is animated using the After Effects text animator with the properties you can see here. Thirdly, each letter in Aquatech, except layer H, is revealed because all of them are having set matte effect. As the layer 16 moves from left to right having a mask of layer 7, which is mask reveal, it reveals rest of the characters as can be seen. Finally, the blue accent layer Aquatech is revealed after all the yellow layers have been revealed.